Here's the simplest suturing technique. Load the needle driver by grabbing the needle about 2/3 of the way up. Make sure it is at a 90-degree angle with the driver and squeeze it until the first ratchet catches. This is the standard way of gripping the driver for optimal control, or you can use the palm grip for optimal dexterity. Holding the forceps like a pencil, gently grasp the tissue to stabilize it. Enter the skin with the suture needle at a 90-degree angle. Advance it by supinating the wrist to follow the shape of the needle instead of pushing it through. Remember, supination is the movement you make when you scoop soup with your hand. Once the tip of the needle pokes out into the wound, stabilize the tissue on the opposite side and continue supinating until the tip exits the skin at a 90-degree angle. Make sure the needle enters and exits roughly the same distance from the wound edge. Grab the end of the needle and continue supinating until it is fully out of the skin. Hold the needle driver along the length of the wound, wrap the long end around it twice, then grab the short end and pull the ends in opposite directions. Pull the long end to one side to lock the knot and secure it with at least 2 more throws, but for these, only wrap the long end around the needle driver once.